Hi guys, in this video we will see an exercise on Alteryx. The objective of this exercise is what is the use of select tool in case of Alteryx. So the select tool is available over here under the preparation tab. So we have to input the data first with the help of an out tab, and we have to go to this input data tool. So we have to load the data and go to this connect the file or database in the configuration pane. Click on drop down. It is going to redirect us to the data connection window. We'll just go to this files. I want the Excel sheets, Excel file. I'll go to this particular desktop. So I'll pick up a file from over here. I click on copy change cells. Click on open. The data is getting loaded. So it will ask us to select a sheet from this particular. I'll select the sheet one. Click on OK. The preview is going to be available over here. Click on run. So the result workflow is available over here. So there are around 13 records displayed over here. You can see the data. So the use of this particular select tool is that we can select or deselect any of the columns which we want and drag this and drop it on the canvas and connect it with the input data. So whatever fields we want to see. So this is the database I'll show you. So if I don't want to see the state and type or state and region, whichever rows, whichever columns I don't want to see, so I'll deselect. So I'll go over here. I don't want to see the state. I don't want to see the type. I don't want to see the region also. I only want to see the product type, product, and the copy state. So I'll just go over here, click on run. So only three fields, that is three columns, are being displayed over here. That is product type, product, and copy sales. If I click on the input anchor of the select tool, so six fields are available: product type, product, state, type, and region are being deselected. So only product type, product, and copy sales is available. So I'll click on the output anchor. So we'll have only three fields, three columns. So likewise, we can use this particular select tool in order to select specific columns which we want to see, and also we can deselect the columns. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.